Hey guys, welcome back to another edition of Check It Out. We got an early morning one for you. And some of you have been asking in the comments when flying these to kind of show what the buttons look like when we're actually flying. So we're going to try something out here. And I've got my expert flyer here. And we are going to try to show both the drone flying and what our expert does with his fingers as he is flying. All right, let's give it a go.
So we're going to get this button and click it. To get a boost off, it gives you like a head start, so we'll click that.
All right, up and going. Oh, there we go.
And I'll go a little back, because I'm about to hit a wall.
So if you can, try to fly above that step, and maybe I can show both. Can you go over where that step is? There we go. Now we're in the screen. So we can see both the drone and your fingers. I wonder if you can tilt this guy up just a little bit. Ooh, okay, if I do that, now we can really see what's going on. So even though the drone's not moving a whole lot, you can see that our expert is really making fine little adjustments with his fingers to keep the drone where he wants it and to do some little tricks with it. Now I know this is hard, but I'm going to challenge you to do a flip while you're in that little space. And you can come out here a little bit maybe, but in order to keep it in the camera, like right there, is that possible? Look at that, amazing. And what you can't see is that our expert is also pushing this button here. Maybe you could do one more flip and kind of hold it. Can you hold it like right there and show us that flip? So finger down, side flip, finger down, left flip. Absolutely incredible. Very, very cool. So cool. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Just trying to show some of our friends out there that might be figuring out the learning curve of how to fly this. Don't get too frustrated. I know it's not easy making that learning curve, and my expert here is a lot better at this than I am. But practice, practice, practice wins every single time. One tip we would have, though, is we're having way more success inside. So if you have the ability to safely practice this inside the home before you take it outside, or for us, this might even be one that we really fly inside the house only, or at least a majority of the time. There you see, even our expert crashes once in a while. That's okay. We'll let you crash once in a while.
Lost control of the drone.
Lost control of the drone, and you know...
And then it like went all over, so I couldn't figure out what to do.
And sometimes things happen, so we'll get it back up and going. The good news is that this drone has crashed, I'm going to say 50 times just to give a ballpark, and I'll bet you it's still going to be just fine right now and ready to go. Although that flashing, blinking, flashing tells us it's time to charge up that battery. Speaking of the batteries, go ahead.
Actually, when it blinks slow, when it blinks fast, it means help me,
Oh.
I'm stuck or something, because it's upside down, so that's why it's blinking fast. It's not out of battery, but it's blinking fast, saying, I need help, flip me over.
Oh, that is really excellent to know. Our expert says if it's blinking fast, which it is right now, that's saying, hey, I need help. If it blinks slow, it means the battery is dying. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today. Hope you enjoy these videos. Please subscribe. If you haven't already, look at the playlist that we have. This is like video number 4 or 5 that we've got up going here. And if you have any specific questions about this particular drone, let us know in the comments down below. We've already purchased 2 of these. We might even buy 1 or 2 more. They're just so fun, and it's so nice to see one of these that's well made, lots of fun to fly, and pretty darn affordable. You can look down in the description below and click on that link and you'll see what I'm talking about. That it's really not too expensive, especially considering some of the nicer drones can get very, very, very expensive. All right, guys, we'll see you next time. Bye for now.